Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yinka, and for today I'm so excited to share with you guys this coffee table book from Rihanna. I know it's probably been out maybe a year or two by now already, but it's been on my wish list, and Bay actually surprised me randomly and purchased this coffee table book for me, and I was so excited that he actually remembered that I wanted this book. So I'm really doing an unboxing today because I've taken the box out of the shipping box, but I have not opened it yet. So we doing this together, we're going to embrace this experience together. So let me share with you guys is the Rihanna Fenty, I know I'm probably gonna butcher this, Fadon, featuring the tattooed handstand. And the reason why I like that version is because I like the color, and the stand was also really dope. But I already knew from the jump that if I got the book with the stand, 9 times out of 10 I'm going to spray paint it, maybe white or black or gold, I haven't decided, but can't stay lime green in my living room. So let's get started. Boom. If you ordered this book or any boxes in general, PSA, be careful. I literally nicked my finger as I was trying to open the box in excitement. But anyway, this is the book, and it is so big. I did not expect it to be this big. Yes, Rihanna, we get it. You're making a coffee table book. I know it's not cheap, but this is a coffee table book. This is a coffee table book. And it's not crazy heavy, but yeah, this is a coffee table book. And I'm actually gonna compare it to the Louis Vuitton coffee table book, just so you guys can see a side by side. Now, before open this bad boy, I feel like a kid at the candy store. Coffee table book. So okay, this is literally the comparison. That is my workout for the day. But yeah, this Rihanna was not joking. This is a coffee table book. So now I'm going to put this coffee table book on my coffee table, but before, the stand so the stand comes in 2 pieces that I guess I have to assemble. Yeah, and it has screws. So I know personally, before even opening it, and just from what I've seen, that the book contains photos from her childhood, behind the scenes tours, vacations, family, personal events, and pretty much the official description says, from her Barbados childhood to her worldwide tours, from iconic fashion moments to private time with friends and family, the book showcases intimate photographs of her life as an artist, performer, designer, and entrepreneur. Many of these images have never been published before. So yeah, this is a limited edition hardcover, 12 5/8 by 16.5 inches. This is a big body book. Let me show you guys the opening photo. So the opening photos actually looks like she was on tour. I kind of wish they tell you timestamps and stuff, but I'll take it. This is the opening page of the book. So this is the front, and this is the back. I'm literally gonna have to take a day to go everything and just oh my gosh, yes, Riri, she did that. This is so cool. So I'm gonna set this up and show you guys how I place it in my living room, and then that'll be it. This is a good gift item for any person that in your life that is a Rihanna fan, loves Rihanna, or if you just love Rihanna. I will say the color scheme is kind of, Rihanna style's eclectic, pop of color, neon, I get it, but to really go with my living room, it's not gonna work. So probably over the weekend, I'll spray paint it and then reinstall it. And I'm thinking I'm leaning towards black. Yeah, I think I'm leaning towards black, but let me know what you guys think. What color should I spray paint the neon yellow? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.